Hi, this is Rob Parker here from Peach Software, bringing you another new feature. If you're one of our clients who invoices kits and you use a recent feature which is Customised kits on the fly, then this may come in handy for you. Whether it's a customer order, an invoice or a point of sale, you can now retrieve the details of the kit you've invoiced to the customer, even if you've changed the details on the fly. So you'd go into the invoice or the order, and then you would retrieve, and it works in, as I said, it works in orders or invoices. So this is an order that the customer has placed, and I've made changes to the kit. So how do I know what's in that particular kit for that particular transaction? Now I can click on this link here, and it'll tell me exactly what the details of the kit entail. You can also make it appear as a default by ticking here, and it'll show you what was on that particular kit. Same in invoicing. If I go to invoices and I look at a prior invoice, I can see what the components were in the kit, or I can untick that and then click on this and it'll be on the pop-up screen. So that's a new feature. I think you'll find it very handy, and we look forward to bringing more to you soon.